What's up, CrewZNation? It's your boy Zawawi and welcome back to a new episode. So behind me is my S14.5. It's a 1995 model and it looks fantastic from this side. But if we go to this side, you can see that it's been damaged. It's one of the consequences of drifting. All of this needs to be fixed. Obviously, also have to fix. There's a small bent in the chassis, and I'm very excited because we are taking it today to get fixed. Unfortunately, I don't have the equipment to fix it myself, so I'm just waiting for my boy Ogi to bring the tow truck so we can take it to the main man who's gonna fix the situation. And we figured out a way how to finally register the car so I can actually not only drift in it at the track, but I can also legally drive it in the streets. I am so excited. So I will get back to you guys once the tow truck is here. Peace for now. Much love. All right, so my main man Ogi is here. As you can see, the car is in pieces, and here's the tow truck. All right, so he has to reverse in to take in the car, and this is gonna be a disaster. I don't know what I would do without you, Ogi. So this is bent. Oh, so we have to fix this as well, right?
Yes.
Oh my god. Drifting. So much fun. How far is the place from here?
College.
Oh, it's right here.
Yes.
Oh, perfect. And here's the tow truck. Alright. And now we are gonna have to push the car. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله. كيف حالك اخوي؟ شو اخبارك؟ بشرني عنك.
شغالة هي؟
لا مو شغالة، فيبغى لنا ندفها الحين عشان نطلعها برا. ثواني بس. Alright, let's push this. بسم الله.
خليها تروح يسار.
يمين يا.
ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكلة؟ السيارة مرة واطية بس عشان كذا هذا.
الحين كويسة بس والنزول إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله بإذن الله. الله يسعدك يا قلبي، ما قصرت.
عدل سيدة.
Straight. All right. Oh. السلام عليكم.
اهلا وسهلا.
كويس الحمد لله. All right, let's do this. It's getting fixed. Huh? Where can we pull it from? Hannah. All right, we're good to go, baby. But we have to. This is a problem, man.
ايوه هذا خير. كده هذا خير.
هذا الشكمان.
ايه شكمان. Just before they went a little bit bent.
Yeah.
So silencer.
But we took the silencer off, right?
Oh, no, the piping.
Yeah.
So then, like this. So it's too low.
So can we make it straight?
You have to cut it again. Then weld.
Can the guy do it?
I'll check.
All right, thank you. So all that scraping sound is the exhaust because the car is way too low, and so even though we are gonna get it registered, it's gonna suck because there's speed bumps everywhere and we won't be able to كله مكسور حبيبي.
هذا مقصور ايوه. امين انت هذا محمد.
I genius. الله يعطيك العافية حبيب قلبي، ما قصرت جميعا يا رب. الله يكفينا شر الحوادث بس. Alright, that was it. The exhaust is way too low. Yeah. Hey, no, the guys in the garage في الجراج معلوم كيف ننزل سيارة.
Your dad gave me 80. This 80.
Huh?
I'll give him another.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You think this is gonna fall?
No.
We should be alright, right?
Yeah.
But man, make sure the guy does.
Yes. I know, check this one. He said he can make it.
You already came here, right?
Yes.
Alright, perfect.
It's gonna take time because of the carbon fiber.
But this is not carbon fiber.
Carbon
though.
fiber.
Are you sure?
With paint.
Really? I
Yes.
thought it was.
It's carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
So how is he gonna fix it?
Also carbon fiber.
He's gonna use carbon fiber? He has carbon fiber. Wow.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
Take my car. Are you gonna take the? Okay. All right. But you're gonna go in front of him, right? All right. I'm just afraid the bumper will fall, man. But we should be all right. Bye, baby, bye. I love you. يلا. السواق بيطلع معك السيارة ويعرف المحل قريب هنا في الخليج.
إيه خلاص ما في مشكلة.
اي خلاص، الله يعطيك العافية حبيبي، وهو بيحاسبك ولا تشيل هم. الله يسعدك يا قلبي، ما قصرت.
قلت لكم أول هذه.
ها؟
أول تلكم السيارة الثانية.
حبيبي في امان الله، تامرني
كذبة دورية كان ندق عليك.
على طول دق علي، خلاص لا تشيل هم. الله يسعدك. باي باي. I love you. I love you. So that was a very emotional moment for me. She's gone. She's gone. It's empty, but she's gonna get fixed, and then we're gonna have her registered. Boop, boop. All right. So CrewZNation, I'll keep you guys updated with the S14.5. Can't wait till it gets done. It's gonna take a while because of the carbon fiber and whatnot, but I am extremely excited. And then we're gonna have it registered, and we're gonna go out drifting, legally of course, and that's it for now. So much love, be safe, Zawawi out, peace.